Hello and welcome to an episode of Robocraft with me, Table. So we had a little bit of a technical boo-boo dings on the last version of this robot build, and now hopefully we're solved and we can move ahead with the design thingy of this. I spat on myself. The design thingy, mirror mode is off. Get in the groove, Table. Get in the groove. Get started. Let's go. Right. So I need to get this second wheel on, but I also need to have some kind of detail here because we've got nothing at all going on there. So let's just do that and push it out one, and then we can work on the rest. I have done a small doodle of this build prior to making it, so I do have a little bit of an idea of where we want to go with this. These could be solid blocks, or I could just continue my idea of having lots of engines in here. I could I could squeeze in another engine right here. Because you're not going to see it, because it's going to be covered up with the cockpit section. I say cockpit, but driver's room? Cabin? Chamber? I don't know what you'd call it, to be honest. I don't know what the name of that would be. Alright, let's just stick those in. Now, I should take the time to reinforce this. Someone said that I could do that. I can do that. No? Okay. Well, that's fine. I'm alright with that. No worries. Let's just seal that in. Bing, bing, bong, bong, bong. It's the one above. That's the one that can be sealed in. Okay, well, let's just get rid of those and do that instead. And then we can stick to the structural integrity of the vehicle by doing this. There we go. I find it hard to call cars robots in this game. I know it's Robocraft, but I am building a car. And you kind of... That's a very long bonnet. We might not have the bonnet that long. Let's get the next wheel in and see what we can do for proportions, because we have to keep it proportional. We were going for the Stormers, weren't we? Let's have a look. Oh, I don't know. Sorry, mysterious blinking block sound. Part of me wants to leave that wheel in one, but I think it would be too narrow, so we're going to have it out one at the back here. I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to have it out there at the back. This bit can be... Let's go one more out, like that. And we can make that a bumper. That's what we can do. Like that. We can have that. Then we can go to our little cosmetic-ding lights, wherever you may be. There you are. And I also want to hide in a speedometer, because I think that would be very useful. If I put it there, then I can't hide it. So I'm going to move that in and whack the speedometer there. And then we can just block it in like so. And you'd never know that I've got all this hidden inside. You know, you'd never know. There we go. Okay, so this back bit has to slope quite sharply. So I might have to go 2 by 2 by 2 on that one. But what I've done is I've kind of started working at the front and the back and kind of neglected the middle a little bit. Now, I need to get a gun on this back section as well. And I know what gun I'm going to have. Oh, no, wait. This build is just going to have lasers on. Little lasers. So that's not so bad. I need to design this in a way that looks that the dramaticness of this slope isn't so gradual, but also in a way that doesn't take away from this bumper section. I mean, I could go, kind of want to go like that. I mean, why would I want to do that? Why would I want to go, maybe if I went like this and just push that up like that. No, that's too much. It is just a bumper, so let's just go like that. Okay. And then this bit will do the same. Remember, similar, but not the same. That's what we're going for. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing with that back bit now. I'm going to slope up again, like so, and then all right, okay, yeah, and then we can go 2, and then 2. Yeah, all right, we'll do that. There we go. Okay, fine. There we go. That's what we're going to do. Good. We've got that block going on there. Now, I'm going to put... I need to do something asymmetrical in a minute as well, so apologies ahead of time for this asymmetrical doohickey-doo that I'm going to do. We want the cabin. I'm going to do this a little bit different. It's going to be slightly bigger. I'm going to put it on like this. Let's see how that looks if I do that. At the moment, it's looking really basic, isn't it? It is looking really, really basic. Especially that windscreen. That windscreen is... It's not very exciting, is it? We can definitely do better with that. And the question is, do I want to do better with blocks or with something else? Let's have a look. I kind of want to push it forward one and kind of make it like that, kind of like tough to look in. We're getting somewhere with that. I haven't drawn much on these side sections, so we can have a bit of fun with the side sections there. And I think I know what I'm going to do. This bit, I mean, I kind of want it to like... We can have it go in like that. Okay, so that's all right. Okay, well, that's okay, actually. I'm willing to try with this idea, but I feel like we're going to need to cut in and do this. I feel like we need to do something on this side bit. How do I feel about that? I don't feel good about that at all, actually, to be honest. What if I went like this and gave it like side bits, but then it's got like these kind of armoured front blinkers? All right, yeah, okay. That I feel much better about that, actually. Much better about that. So what I want to do here is I want to have some kind of creative, like, exhausts. Like some kind of like, well, basically that, exhaust system. And I'm going to try and make it in blocks. And I want it to be, I want to have 4 of them. So we kind of need to go up. And then that be like one of them. But I've got to find a clever way of mounting them in. So if I did that, but then made that a block and went along. If I oh wait, hang on, I know I can do this. I can use this. There we go. That works. And then make that a block. And then go up again there. Or do we want to have them further back is the question. They're a little bit too close to the front compartment. I can have the same design, but I'm going to move it back a bit so we can go here with it. And if I can go to that height on that one, like so, and then we'll make this one here, and it can be one lower. Yeah, there we go. That's what we're going to do. So let's get rid of those ones. But this pipe-like bit, kind of like what's going on there, so I might carry that along like that and just link that in like so, and then cut that out and put that bit in there. Like that. Fine. Alright. Yeah, okay, cool. Now, I want to hide in this design. I need to cut in here, and I want to hide in some of these cosmetic smoke things to give the impression that it's coming off of the pipe that I've made. Oh, I just deleted out an engine, didn't I? All right, fine. You know what? If we can't have the engine because I want to have the smoke effect, then fine. So be it. Let's just get them in. So that would go there. Cool. It works. That works. You'd never know that it wasn't in there. But it's surprising that I need to have 2 blocks of width. Like, that does surprise me. Let's just do that and that. Oh, it won't let me. Okay. We will do that, though. Where is it? There. Now, let's test it. So if I just go to practice mode, it should kind of look like it's coming out sort of by that funnel. But it probably will look a little bit off. But I want it to look like it's at least coming out a little bit. Let's have a look. So it only comes out when you're moving along. Okay. Well, that's a little bit of a problem, isn't it? That might not necessarily work then. Oh, I don't know about those pipes. The car looks amazing. I like the proportions of the car. Maybe it's because I don't have the colour on yet that I'm not sure about the funnel. But I don't think the smoke thing's gonna really work. Like, it's a nice idea, but if it just comes out the back of the vehicle, then it's not going to look like an exhaust, is it? I'm thinking I'm going to change the exhaust as well. I'm going to change them. I'm not going to have them as exhaust pipes. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to alter them in this fashion, and so that they will kind of imitate the front section, but going in the other direction. So we're going to go like that. No, we want to get that on there. Oh, for a second I didn't have mirror mode on. That'd have been a nightmare. What have I done here? It's not meant to be like that. It's meant to be like this. There we go. And we're just going to have them on like that. There we go. It does mean that I can get that extra engine in, which is cool. So let's just have that on, and then maybe just like that. You know, just like that. Why not? And then if I just cut into this one, we should be able to find that piece. And then we can whack that on there. There we go. All right, yeah, much better. I mean, I tried it with those exhausts, but just with a single block like that, it doesn't quite work. Now, what we do need to do is go into the back here and just find that cavity and put that engine back in, because we can have it now. Where are we? So these blocks in here need to come out. There we go. And then we can whack the engine back in, and everything's all good. There we go. Back where we go. Sometimes that will happen with designs. Sometimes you have to go back and forth a little bit. But it is worth it in the end. Normally, like with builds as well, like I'm a big fan of like building a bit, fighting a bit, building a bit, fighting a bit. And we haven't done that in... Oh, hang on. We might be able to revise this a little bit. If I did that, and then just push that to blocks there. Alright, yeah, I'm okay with that as far as the back's concerned. Now, we've got this whole side section that we need to do something with. And we've got this pipe bit which can stay. Like, I like what's going on there with that pipe. That's fine. That can stay on. But we definitely need to do something with this side bit. And I'm thinking some kind of big air intake kind of thing going on. Can we fit an engine in here? I think we could. If we cut that pipe there, right, and just say the pipe, just say it moves in a bit. Just, like, give it the impression that it weaves in and out. And then if I go block, like that. No, just blocks. If I go like this, right, can we fit something in there? I think we definitely can. Is that too much slope? It's a lot of slope, isn't it? I can stagger it. I can stagger it with that. There we go. There we go. Staggered. Consider yourself staggered. Yeah, it looks a little bit more tied in together there. If I cut out almost all of these and put in just one like that, it connects it on. There we go. And then we can squeeze in lots of engines. And let's just go ahead and push that up one as well. I'd love to be able to get one of these ones. Where are they? These in there. But it's not going to let me, is it? No. So we're going to have to push that forward one. But that one can stay because it's not interrupted by the wheel. And what I can do, whack a block there, put a slope in there, and then go back in and delete that block. There we go. Cool. Cool. Nice. Liking that. But I just want to put on this bit here. And if I can... No, I'm not going to get anything in there, am I? Right, so now this bit needs to go down one. I feel like... I feel like we can do something with this. So if I put that block there, and then that block there... Oh, come on. It was so tantalisingly close to being what I wanted it to be. Can I put in something? Oh, wait. Now you let me do it? Why'd you let me do that? Hang on. We can figure this out. Whoop. And... Ah, come on. Okay, you'll let me do that, though. Which means I can push that to there. Go block. And then that one like so. Delete that out. Cool. And then, if you see, it's just big enough for two of these. So it resembles the front. You can see I've got a grill on the front here. So it continues that kind of element of it, but without any sacrifice to like the flatness of the side. Pretty pleased. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to whack a load of engines in here, because I'm hoping it will look pretty cool when you look in on the side and you see like these extra engines. Oh, we can put loads in. Should I just put loads in? What's my CPU at? 1000. Yeah, let's just put loads in. Mediocre. Yeah, perfect. Oh, and look, you can see one there. You can see one down there. So that's pretty friggin' cool. Let's just push that like so. Put in an extra block there. Put that down like so. Yeah, similar but not the same. Cool, there we go. Right, that's them on. Side bits are done. The cockpit, I mean, I don't normally have a flat surface like that. And I feel like I want to change that up a little bit. But I'm just not overly sure how... I'm pretty sure just like a couple of blocks tweaked will really make this cockpit look good. If I could just figure out what that's got to be... I always build cockpits like this, though. But I just don't want it to look... well, rubbish, to be honest. Looks like we're going this way, aren't we? It looks like it's the way we're going. Yeah, it looks like it's going to happen. Could I leave that bit sloped back? How do I feel about that? I am going to slope it back, actually. Yeah, we are going to do that. Okay, cool. Fine. I'm all right with that. Let's do that. Paint and... I'm going to put some engines in the sides here. Let's do... Where could we stick these in? I reckon we could put them there. So let's do that. Yep, okay, cool. Right, we've got a couple of engines in. I'm really pleased with how that's looking. Sorry, I know my voice... I'm going to stop it there because my friggin' frame rate's dropping again, man. Screw this thermal throttling with every single goddamn game. Yeah, we're going to stop there. We'll colour it and we'll race it. We might take it out into a match in the next game. In the meantime, I'm in Table. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care.